Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mubaraka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. I am very excited for this video as I'm going to be sharing with you my most favorite makeup products during the year of 2020. Now I have been doing a lot more makeup during this year, starting from my own wedding to attending so many weddings during the month of January, February and March before this pandemic happened. So other than using these products on camera for video purposes, I have also used these products in real life, and for the fact I know that these products work really well, and that's the reason it has made up to my favorite list. So I will be doing this makeup look for this video, which is a very fall inspired makeup look with some peachy vibes as well. So yeah, if you are interested to know what my makeup favorite products are, please keep on watching. Okay, so starting with my eyebrows, I am using L'Oreal's Brow Kit, and as you can see I have touched pan on this one, and that's how much I love this product. Priming my eyes, I am using this concealer from PAC Cosmetics. The formula for this one is really very nice and it blends very nicely and suits my skin so perfectly. There are so many shade options to choose from and you can totally find your shade in this one. Now moving on to the eyes, I am using the eyeshadow palette from Root Cosmetics. Setting my eyelids using the first shade from the palette. You can also use a translucent powder for this one. Next I'm using this burnt orange shade and I'm using it as a transition color. This is gonna help me blend all the other darker shades seamlessly. Now taking the plum darker shade and again placing it into my crease and blending it with the previous color. I have already talked about this palette earlier and it is an amazing palette. It has so many versatile colors. You can create multiple looks using this palette. Intensifying the color further using the dark brown shade and placing it on the outer corners. Now I'm cutting my crease and for that I'm using a flat brush from Jazza Beauty. Now I'm placing this golden shade on the areas where I have cut my crease and you can see how beautiful this shade looks. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and making sure that everything is nice and blended. Okay, so moving on to my face and giving my eyes a little break, I'm going to moisturize my face using the Believe Moisturizer. For primer, I am using two of my favorite primer, that is the MAC Strobe Cream and the Professional Primer. The MAC one will help me achieve that glowy and hydrated look, wherein the Professional one will help me to make my pores appear less and smoothen my fine lines and stuff. MAC Studio Fix foundation has to be my favorite foundation since the day I've got it. It has such an amazing formula and it gives me such a skin-like finish, and that's what I like about this foundation. And now using the same concealer, I am concealing my under eyes, my forehead and around my mouth. And for blending, I am using this makeup sponge from the Plume Co. I really love the quality of their makeup sponges. I almost have all of their varieties and I totally love them. For setting my face, I am using the Fit Me Loose powder. Nothing else can beat this powder. This one keeps my skin looking flawless throughout the day. Now to complete my eyes, I am using the mix of two shades and applying it to my lower lash line and blending it further. The glossier liner has my heart. It is super black, pigmented and glides on very smoothly. But you won't easily find this in India, so I would recommend you going in with the sugar eyeliner. It's equally good. For eyelashes, I am using the Pretty Unicorn lashes. Now this is from an Instagram store. They have a variety of eyelashes at affordable prices and they are of an amazing quality. For bronzing my face, I am using the Hoola bronzer. It's a buttery soft formula and blends in very easily. To add some color to my face, I am using this Milani blush and it is a very natural looking blush. It is not very highly pigmented, but that's what I like about my blushes. I don't want them to be highly pigmented. I want them to look very natural. Now to set my face and set my base makeup, I am using this PAC setting spray. Now this comes with a continuous setting mist and that's my favorite part about this setting spray. But also it keeps my makeup in place for a really long time. Now for highlighter, I am using this oldie but a goodie highlighter from Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Precious Petals. For my lips, I am using the Flower Beauty Magical Something Liquid Lipstick. Topping off my lips with my favorite lip gloss, that is the Fenty Lip Balm. I love this one. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this look, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.